Hello everyone. Today I am going to fill my Smoky Rose Gold Diamond TWSBI 580 with some ink from Robert Oster. So you may have seen my video where I unboxed this TWSBI from Yoseka Stationery, and also where a separate video where I unboxed this Robert Oster Schwarz Rose ink. I'm going to link to both of those videos below. But this is just to show you how to fill it, and also I'm going to do a test. So this is an extra fine nib, which I don't have any other extra fine nibs from this model TWSBI. So we'll see how it writes. All right, so take off the cap, and I'm going to put the little twist end all the way down. Okay, and this is a shimmer ink, so I am going to shake it, and I'm going to make sure that there's actually a pretty decent amount incorporated of that shimmer, because I can still see it pretty well on the bottom, so I want to make sure it's pretty well shaken up. And I thought this particular color would go really well. Here, I'm gonna get the sample out and show you. So this is the Schwarz Rose here. And as you can see, it has a really pretty rose colored shimmer. And then the other color, which I thought was kind of smoky, but it also has a little bit of green in there. Okay, put that off to the side. Okay, let's see. And this settles really super quick, so I'm gonna shake it and then fill it really fast. Okay. So you just put it down past the nib, and I'm going to put it in. I'm gonna pump it in and out a couple of times to kind of prime the nib and get more ink into the pen. Okay, I think we're doing pretty good there. Okay, I'm going to put that aside, put the lid on. You can see there was a little bit that dropped there, so I'm just going to rub off around the nib with this tissue here. Normally I would use either cloth or a paper towel, but this is what I had handy right here. Okay, I think that's pretty good. One of the nice things about the Diamond as opposed to the Eco is it doesn't have the problem of ink getting down in this little area. In the Ecos, sometimes the ink will get stuck right around here. This doesn't seem to have that issue. All right. Oh, and it looks like I also got some ink on my fingers. Well, it isn't a day in my house if I don't get some ink on my fingers. Well, you can see it's really pretty and sparkly. So I'm going to go ahead and start writing with that there. I'm going to put that off to the side. And so there seems to be a little bit of controversy as to whether or not this pen can be posted. I will often post mine, although that makes it very heavy on the back end. Oh goodness. Okay, so there's ink somewhere here. Oh, it looks like it's around the cap. That's interesting. Not quite sure why there is ink there. Because there shouldn't be. You never know. Ink gets everywhere, whether you want it to or not. Okay, so let's see. Oh yeah, this is pretty nice and fine. And let's see if we're actually getting that shimmer here. Probably have to let that dry a little bit to see, because I think These kinds of things are probably better, like shimmering inks are probably a little bit better to put in a wider nib or broader nib. Although the more I'm writing with this, the broader the nib seems to be writing. And this is on a Tomoe River paper, so it should be showing any nuances in the color. Let's see. Oh yeah, with my glasses off, which I just took off, you can definitely see, I'm not sure if you can see that here, but I can definitely see it in the lettering. It wasn't so prominent or there at all really in these earlier ones, but over here you can definitely see the shimmer. All right, so I'm actually going to do a separate video at a later time showing the differences between this TWSBI and several other TWSBIs that I have, but that was just to fill up the pen and to do a little sample there on the paper. And there you go. And let's see, can you see that shimmer now? Hopefully you can see that a little bit now that I've zoomed that in. All right, and I think this is a really good choice of ink for this pen because it's sort of a matchy-matchy color, which I sometimes like to do. I don't always like to do it, but there you go. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Feel free to like and or subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.